today let's start with chapter number 9, QB64 statement. So in this chapter we will study about let statement, print statement and input statement. So let's start with the chapter now. Every programming language consists of its specific syntax and keyword which are required to communicate with the computer. जिसको आपको need पड़ती है कंप्यूटर से communicate करने के लिए. Hence QB64 also contain its own particular keywords and syntax that are required in giving instruction. So first is let statement, it और assignment statement जिसे हम कहते हैं, इसमें value assign किए जाते हैं to value. It use its optional and syntax क्या होगा, let variable name value or expression like her example has been given. So let value is equals to 5 and we'll assign the value 5 to x. Product x into y. This assignment will multiply the value of x and y and you will give the valuable product. Whatever product will be there, it will assign the value I love you computer to the variable x. Right? Next is print statement. When you have to print, so the command is used for displaying messages, number or values on the output screen. ऐसा दिखाया. Print constant, string constant, variable expression, print 10 plus 8. जैसे आपको example दिया है, this will display 18, जिसका sum 10 and 8 होगा. Print thank you, it will display the message thank you, and it will display the current value x. और जो current value x की वो क्या है, आपकी x. This will display the message, the value of x is followed by the value at x. Right? So print statement has many variables. बहुत सारे variables होते हैं, variation होता है which can be used to print output. Print with semicolons which display the variable one after other without leaving any space. इसके बीच में कोई भी किसी तरीके की space नहीं है. Syntax print variable let AS India, B is CR and D is motherland. So it will print क्या India is our motherland. Right? Then we have print with commas. So it displays the value one after another with a lot of spaces in between. You can print only 5 values in a line. If you want to print more than 5 values, they are printed to the next line. वो आपकी next line में printed होगा. Right? Print variable let A is equals to 40, B is equals to 60. A plus B कितना होगा? आपका sum that is 100. तो C क्या होगा आपका 100 होगा. तो sum will be 100. Now print with tab function. It is used to move the position of the print to the column specified by argument, which is mostly used for printing tables. Like print tab C, constant, variable and expression. Right? Where C is the column number, print tab 50. Hello world, this will print hello world on the screen. And 15th column onwards. Right now input statement. What is input statement? It is used to take a data item from the user and then store it to the variable. It will ask user to enter data by displaying a question mark. Right? So the execution of the program gets suspended until the user enter the value. Right? Syntax है आपका input numeric or string variable. Example input A, an input statement can have a list of variables but they have to be separate. पर ये separate होंगी by programs. Right? Like आपको syntax दिया हुआ है variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. आप variable डालो, input name, input roll number, name मिले, roll number 15 class 12. Print name देखो Nitin 45 or 12. Like this it will be printed. The following tasks are performed by the computer by using the input statement. Like further execution of the program is stopped, question mark is printed, waits for the user to enter the value and press enter key, assigns the data to the corresponding variable. Next is input statement using numeric value with message. For making input user friendly, an optional message can be used with input statement, right? Separated from the variable with semicolon. Right? So input name क्या है आपका? Names. Input school, school. Print name, school. Now input selection statement using numeric and alphabetic. So the input programs can have numeric as well as alphanumeric variable. आप observe करोगे. Write a program for printing a person name, age, salary or address. Input person name, input person age, input person salary, right? And salary of the person S and end. Your program will be ended, right? Like this, we have completed this chapter. Now let's do the exercise. अब हम इसकी exercise करते हैं. So let's start with the pick the correct option. First is the statement can be used for controlling column location. तो आपका let. That statement terminates the further execution of the program, that is print. Next is in QB3, when item is enclosed in dash brackets, it indicates that it is optional item, curly bucket. Print with comma statement can display at most of the 5 values. ठीक है, 5 वैल्यू पर सेकंड. Now fill in the blanks. The input statement prints a dash mark on the screen. कौन सा मार्क लगाता है? क्वेश्चन मार्क. Next is a tab statement print a type of result. A dash statement tells the computer to wait for the user to enter data. That is your input. Input statement. So the input program can have both numeric and alphanumeric. Dash commands clear all the screen content, that is CLSA. While using dash statement, while using input statement, question marks is printed on the screen. Now write T for true and F for false statement. You can print only 5 values in a line. It's true. Print with comma, display the value one after other. Lots of false. The input statement or the assignment statement assign value to a variable. It's true. Next is an input program can have numeric as well as alphanumeric variable. It's true. An input statement can have a list of variables. It's true. Now answer the following question. Give the use of assignment statement. आपको use बताना है assignment statement. Write the use of print command using tab function. आपको difference बताना है print statement के बीच में with comma and semicolon. You have to give the example of print with comma command. What is the use of input statement जो थी उसका use क्या होता है? Explain the input statement using numeric variable with a short message. Right? This is all about in this chapter. We have done with this exercise. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.